Ram. This is the story of Vishnu in the reincarnation of Ram. So this is the showing the battlefield of Ramayana, where Hanuman and the demons are having a fight. So, and this is also the story of fighting between good and bad. And this is Ram with Mata Sita and Lakshman Bhagwan sitting on the throne. And this is all the battlefield when Ram went to Lanka to get back Sita. So how does Hanuman and the Vanar Sena fighted with demon to free Sita from Lanka and brought back to Ayodhya. So all these sculptures are showing the fighting between all the Vanar Sena and the demons, and this is the Ravan avatar, showing how they fought the battle. And all these Angkor Wat sculptures are showing all that in this art form. So whenever you come here, you can see this. It's a beautiful old century storytelling. So you can, as you can watch, there are some beautiful sculptures of demon and Banar, Hanuman, Ram, Lakshman, how they fought the battle and how was Sita brought back after they fight against bad to good.
It's about winning of evil, winning of God over evil. So in our life, whenever we have some confusion, we can refer to our Hinduism holy books, and Hindu will guide you. It will guide you to the right path. So this is Hindu. This is a biggest Hindu temple in the world. I'm a Hindu. It's the biggest Hindu temple, and we admire the beauty of this temple. So whenever you come to Siem Reap, make sure to visit Angkor Wat. Or whenever you are in Cambodia for a business trip or a leisure trip, make sure you visit Siem Reap and do hire a guide. Without a guide, you know nothing. You just come and see and then go. So it's better to hire a guide here. So that's all, and Ram Ram.
Thank you so much. Thank you.